Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating journey through the rich history of the Astir Glyfada. Established after World War II, this iconic entertainment center serves as a captivating time capsule of post-war Greece. Picture this. They transformed a sprawling, 285-acre coastal area into a vibrant space for culture and leisure. It's like turning a blank canvas into a masterpiece. Originally designed to host about 200 people, it had the capacity to accommodate around 5,000 guests. Imagine the bustling energy and electric atmosphere they created there every single day.
Oh wow, that's massive. I mean, wow. The way they created this space for so many people is kind of like those huge modern-day festivals where thousands gather. But what kind of events were held there? Just parties or something more?
Great question. It became a lively social hub. One of the shining moments was in 1957, when the YWCA organized the largest post-war ball in Athens at Astir Glyfada. This wasn't just any gathering. It was sparkling with notable figures like the legendary Greek actor Lambros Konstantaras and the glamorous Aliki Vougiouklaki. It symbolized a high point of revitalization and spirit. Can you imagine the glitz?
Oh my gosh. All those glamorous guests mingling? Was it like one of those scenes from The Great Gatsby? I mean, you've got legendary characters, extravagant dresses, and I bet a ton of glitz and glam, right?
Absolutely. It was akin to the Gatsby era, but with a Greek flair. Now, jump to 2013, when the National Bank of Greece stepped in. They signed a long-term lease that paved the way for exciting new developments.
Ooh, that sounds like some big business moves. Did they have a specific vision in mind? Like revamping or modernizing the whole thing? That's so interesting.
Exactly. But then, as with many grand plans, the Greek economic crisis hit, and it led to Nausicaa losing the lease. But not all was lost. Glyfada swooped in with a staggering €300 million investment to transform it into the ultra-luxurious One&Only aesthesis, which just opened its doors last October.
Whoa, that's like a complete transformation. So, what makes the One&Only so special compared to the original Astir? Is it just the fancy luxury, or is there something deeper?
Fantastic question. The One&Only features 127 rooms and 14 private residences. Let me tell you about Villa 1. It's a two-story marvel that truly captures the essence of modern luxury. It's not just about indulgence. It's about creating an immersive experience, like stepping into a dream that melds history with opulence.
Wow, Villa 1 sounds like something right out of a movie or a fantasy. Do you think that this level of luxury changes how we engage with a place like this compared to the original? Is it just about high-end amenities? Or do people still crave that nostalgic connection?
That's a profound insight. Luxury can easily draw people in, but I firmly believe that the spirit of the original Astir still resonates deeply. It's like those charming old-school diners that may lack trendy decor, but people flock there for their comfort food. It's all about the memories wrapped up in the experience, and Astir Glyfada carries those stories within its walls.
Oh man, I love that. Comfort food and nostalgia just gives me warm fuzzies. But do you think the new developments will change what Astir Glyfada symbolizes for the locals? I mean, that's a big shift, right?